Hi there, it's Kelly here and I'll be teaching you how to customize your product page. Let's get started. Once you're logged in, you want to click on Channels and you want to click on your online store. And you want to also scroll down and we want to go to Themes. And then what we want to do is click on Customize, and on the top menu here, we want to change this home page to our product page. Alright, so as you can see, this preview here has been updated to our product page. So like I mentioned in our previous video, for every page there will be 3 main sections for every website. One is the header, one is the body, and one is the footer. So the header, of course, we have already set in our previous video. We will now just focus on the body of our product page, which is, the product section here. Let's click onto it. So as you can see, it has already been preset, the design, but what you can change is the information that appears here. So for example, free shipping, secure payments, and 7 days free return. You can actually change this information that you want to put here. So for example, I'm going to change this free shipping to, free shipping with minimum spend of 100. I can change that information here. And if I feel like, 7 days free return does not apply to my business, what I can do is I'm going to click on that icon with text and I'm going to remove that block. So it's going to appear as just like that. Okay, quite simple actually. So once you have updated all this information, you can also click on that settings button to check if you want to amend any of the settings here. So everything is okay for my side right now. I'm going to click on that save button, and with that we have successfully customized our product page.